This four-door EV from China now looks like Bugatti's rarest one-off. The vacuum cleaner company's latest images show its maiden car has been redesigned to resemble the Bugatti Brouillard. Dreame teases its first production EV ahead of CES 2026 debut. Design now echoes Bugatti's rare Brouillard instead of Chiron. Chinese startup also plans a Cullinan-style SUV arriving in 2027. Chinese electronics brand Dreame caused a stir earlier this year when it dropped images of a four-door coupe that looked disturbingly similar to a very famous Bugatti hypercar. Now, just days ahead of a planned debut at CES in Las Vegas, Dreame has released updated pictures showing it switched its affections to a different Bugatti. Earlier previews looked like unapologetic Chiron cosplay, but now the car resembles the Bugatti Brouillard, a one-off coupe version of 2022's Mistral. Both the Brouillard and Mistral are based on the Chiron chassis, but feature major design differences from the base car. And some of those design cues have been picked up by Dreame's master copiers. We don't get to see the face of the new car in these three images, so we can't see if the Bugatti-like horseshoe grille visible in previous renders is still present. However, we can see that the segmented front DRLs are very similar to the ones on the Brouillard, and the mix of metallic green paint with black lower body sections, a combo also seen on the Bugatti, can't be a coincidence. Other parallels visible in the images published by China's IT Home include the substitution of the huge signature Chiron C-shape flourish on each flank for a smaller kink that drops into a swage line running through the middle of the doors. Overall though, this latest evolution of Dreame's first car appears less obviously a Bugatti clone, and there are some major differences at the rear, including the look of the lights, and the presence of a bolt-on, rather than integrated, spoiler. But it still retains its four-door layout, meaning it's more of a rival to Porsche's Taycan than any Bugatti. No official specs exist yet, but Chinese media expectations suggest more than 986 horsepower, 1,000 horsepower, refrigerant-based cooling for the electric drivetrain and a 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 km/h, time of around 1.8 seconds. All of this remains speculation rather than confirmation. Earlier reports mentioned the availability of both range extender hybrid and pure electric options. But one thing we can be sure of is that it's not going to be slow. The still unnamed car is part of Dreame Auto's Starry Sky plan with production targeted for 2027. The brand has outlined a dual strategy covering ultra-high performance cars and large luxury vehicles. It's already shown a huge SUV that looks like a blatant rip-off of a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and is also due to go on sale in 2027. To put the design's evolution into perspective, we've included Dreame's earlier renders in the gallery below. The September versions offer a clear view of just how far the concept has come, or perhaps how it's been redirected.